Alright, just came up for the hatch. We're on a little ledge here. Plaster dust everywhere. Cracks in the walls. This rope goes to one of the stops. I'm not sure what it's called, but that basically falls in there, so I have to get it out once in a while. Needs re-leathering. Here we have dust on the pipes. Wooden pipes, that is. There's the harp. Again, works just fine, but not enough pressure. Going back to closing this hatch up here. There is a wooden board here, looks like it's designed for that. Needs to be reattached.